I'm gonna explain how to install these types of light fixtures, which are one of the easiest to install. Basically, you have this metal plate which you are going to attach to the drywall by screwing it onto the drywall. And then see these two screws? The front is going to be held up by these two screws. See, these are the screw holes. So once this is up, you're going to align it so the screws are showing, see, like this. And then you have a decorative nut that's gonna hold everything together, hold this front piece to the back plate. I don't know where the decorative nuts went, so I'm just going to use just simple hex nuts that fit this screw, and I'm just gonna hold it in place like that. Oh, and the wire connections are going to be made through this hole. First, I turned off the power to this electrical box by turning off the circuit breaker in the basement. Now I'm going to attach the back plate of the light fixture to the box by putting a screw into this hole. Now I'm going to put a couple of screws into the drywall. Now I'm going to connect the wires. I'm just going to connect the white wire from the fixture to the white wire coming out from the wall. I'm going to connect them together using a wire nut. I'm going to connect the black wire from the fixture to the black wire coming from the wall. My hand is in the way, so you can't see what I'm doing. I'm sorry about that. And finally, I'm going to connect the bare copper wire, which is the brown wire, to the brown wire coming from the wall. So here you see the white wire from the light fixture and the white wire from the electrical box connected by a wire nut, and the black wire from the light fixture and the black wire from the electrical box connected by a wire nut. And last but not least, you see the ground wire from the light fixture, which is the naked copper wire, and the ground wire from the electrical box, which you can hardly see, connected together with a wire nut. I'm just going to push the wires back in to the box. Putting on hex nuts. Now I'm just putting on the lampshades. Now the moment of truth. Yay! Now, didn't that look easy? It was actually pretty easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.